So this is small, smaller, small, smaller, smallest, big, big, bigger, biggest. Hey! Welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How we all doing? Hope we are good, we are fine. So guys, in today's video I'm unboxing my new pot. Yes, today's video is unboxing. So I'm unboxing my new pot. I want to change my pot, the old one I have. So I want to use this one. So the auntie I bought it from, she told me that she have used this before and it's nice. So I said, let me try this pot. Okay, you know, we Nigeria would like to cook delicious food. So let me unbox it. Already I've opened it before there to check if the set is complete. So let me unbox it with you guys. I'm so excited. So this is the cover. I think this is the cover of the small one. This. So let me bring it out before I will start covering it and showing you. The pot is five pieces inside. I'm so excited. So this is the big one. This is the big one. The biggest, I think. Wow, look at it. This is the second to the big. To the biggest. So I think it's big, bigger, biggest. Wow, this is so cute. This one is the smallest. I can't wait to cook all the delicious food. Yeah. Check out now. Hey. No. this is it. So this is small, smaller, small, smaller, smallest, big, big, bigger, biggest. Hey! So guys, thank you for unboxing this my beautiful pot with me. So hope you enjoyed this video. Comment in the comment section if you have used this pot before, if this pot is nice. If you have used this pot before and your experience. So I think this will be very nice, but the washing, because their gas here in Italy, their gas is not friendly with our pot. So well, I will see how I can figure out how we'll be maintaining this pot. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, comment in the comment section if you have used this pot like I said before and your experience, or if you have friends that have used this pot before. Just comment in the comment section and let me know if this is good and how we'll be maintaining it, because maintaining this white pot like this is not easy. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and be good. Share to your friends. So share to your friends and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, thank you guys. We are 4,000k subscriber. Woo! Congratulations to us. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for always coming back to watch our video. For those that always share our video, we really appreciate you guys. Thank you and God bless you. Stay safe and be good. Ciao, bye bye. Mwah.